Maintaining optimal tire pressure is the most critical factor of using pneumatic tires. Any failure to comply with pressure standards can result in increased wear and tear, machine downtime, and losses. Tyreman Group provides extensive experience in tire maintenance and constant insight into all aspects of tire operation. Providing world-leading pressure control systems, Tyreman then backs their technology offerings with long-term tire services and information support. The professionals of Avtokolonna 2015 perform quality service of pressure control systems 7 days a week.
We have been cooperating with Tyreman Group since 2012. At the time, they were supplying tire pressure monitoring systems, while we represented the trucking department of the Siberia trading company. We had 20 dump trucks, Belas 7555. Tyreman set up a branch in Kuzbass, constantly developing technologies for tire upkeep. At this stage, we are currently testing their tire pressure equalizer for dual tires named Cross Tire on our dump trucks. Tyreman's team members educate our drivers, explaining how to properly use tire pressure monitoring systems, what tire pressure to maintain, taking into account changing climatic as well as tire operation conditions. They also help to track their air quality for tires, compressors, and participate in tire mounting. During our cooperation, Tyreman Group has provided itself as a reliable partner.
Tyreman Group services include installation and maintenance of pressure control systems, continuous training of your staff, development of regulations, constant monitoring and diagnosis of pressure monitoring systems, regular visual inspection of tires. Prompt response. Tyreman Group engineers monitor deviations, check and promptly troubleshoot issues in online mode. For this purpose, the company always has an engineer in charge. Continuous collection and analysis of tire performance data enables Tyreman Group professionals to assist in identifying trucks or drivers with adverse tire trends. This allows you to further evaluate staff and flag problematic or high-performing individuals. Air preparation. Daily, Tyreman Group's engineers check and track the condition of compressor equipment and moisture contained in tires, optimizing tire air quality and eliminating violations. Continued innovation and improvement. Tyreman is continuous in search of unique and innovative solutions to serve the interest of our customers. As global tire technologies continue to evolve, Tyreman remains on the forefront of the market, inventing and sourcing the best options to help our customers remain at peak efficiency and profitability. Tire maintenance verification. Tyreman Group's engineers monitor your tires through their life cycle, collecting data to prove optimal operating standards were met or exceeded. As a result, your fleet can experience increased warranty coverage and compensation from tire suppliers and more. Tire management, providing two solutions, including the standard ARM system or advanced entire software. Tyreman can provide and implement trusted tire management software. Advanced reporting. Upon request, Tyreman can provide the creation and provisioning of specialized reports to benefit your operation, including tire repair and failure analysis, tire wage and heating reports, and more. Most of these services are in demand in Avtokolonna 2015 as well.
In 2018, a firm service agreement was signed between our companies. This cooperation resulted in the raising culture of OTR tires operation at the enterprise, increasing labor discipline among drivers, reduced downtime associated with premature failure of OTR tires, increased tire life and budget economy. We managed to save more than 85 tires from premature failure due to pressure drop. Our technical readiness factor increased up to 95%. Based on the data received from the equipment, Tyreman Group employees help us to work on warranty claims with OTR tire suppliers. Avtokolonna 2015 is one of the most progressive transport enterprises in the mining sector. The professionals working here understand that it is necessary to constantly improve transportation technologies, introduce modern systems of tire accounting, test the tires of various enterprises, constantly develop their own staff and attract contractors exactly where it is required. That is why it is very pleasant and easy for us to deal with such an enterprise as Avtokolonna 2015 and develop together.
Tyreman Group is an integral part of the enterprise's strategy to increase the vehicle operations efficiency and achieve high economic indicators. Our team is involved in production tasks of our customers' enterprises being on site. Tyreman Group, the proven leader in smart technologies for tire upkeep.